are really excited to have again Formula E in São Paulo for the second time. This is a tremendous opportunity for us. First, because we Brazilians are really passionate for motorsports, and also to have the opportunity to be connected with cutting-edge technology for the country is a tremendous opportunity, and ABB has been part of this, with our electrification solutions, helping our customers in the renewable market.
We got lucky enough to go and see the training center of the Palmeiras football club. There are lots of similarities in both sports. Even if I'm alone in a car, I have the whole team behind me. I need to work well with my engineers, my mechanics. We are in a different configuration to what we had in Mexico and in Riyadh with long straights, big braking. So let's see how it goes in the race.